In today's video we show you how you can sort the transmitters on the Hisense U7NQ. How easy that works, you will find out in today's video. We got the brand new Hisense U7NQ, and with this we show you how to sort the transmitters. Requirements, of course, that you have set up LCN on the transmitter search during the installation. So we go to the settings, and when we are in the settings we have to click down to transmitters. And now to the right and edit to transmitters. And if we are in here you have different selection options. Do you want the favorites, or do you want to sort your transmitters, cable, satellite, whatever? I go to cable, and now you see left sort and right delete. If you want to delete a transmitter, you just have to press the arrow key to the right and confirm the whole thing. Yes, that's how easy it works. So go to the desired transmitter, press to the right on the remote control and confirm OK. If you want to move it to the left to the desired position and back to the right. So easy, so there is no TV for me. That is easier when sorting transmitters. Again, select the desired transmitter, press to the left, to the desired position, back to the right. Done, that's it. Delete to the right, sort to the left. If a transmitter does not appear here, or if sorting does not appear here, then you have selected LCN during the installation. Here you have filter again, if you press the color keys. Here you can sort locked transmitters, all transmitters, or locked, free, and A to Z. Or sort by numbers. You can do all this with the color keys. Here on the channel you have a video where we show you the first installation and where we point out that you have to select LCN because otherwise you will not be able to sort, but only delete. Here you can sort again by A to Z or from 1 to 100, and then you can start here again, as I said. In addition, you have the option to search for a transmitter by name, then the keyboard appears and here you just enter the name, and as soon as you enter a letter, the whole thing is then limited to this and only these transmitters appear to you. Sort to the left, delete to the right. You can remember yourself very easily. If you have any questions, then use the comment function. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, then you'll be up to date. We say thank you for watching and goodbye.